Hi, this is Roktim Chowdhury. Recently, I have completed professional video editing course and I am very passionate about creating content that tells a story and connect with people. Honestly, I spend a lot of time on my PC for practicing different type of contents like reels, YouTube video, storytelling, many kind of things. I enjoy experimenting with music, pacing, visuals to make content more engaging. I'm skilled in Premiere Pro and After Effects. Apart from that, I always trying to improve not just technically but also creatively. What I like about this opportunity is that I'll be able to learn from a real team while also contributing. I am someone who is consistent and can manage deadline, as well as I don't mind putting in extra time when needed. I believe I would be a great fit because I am genuinely interested in this field. I am willing to grow and I take my work very seriously. I am very excited about the chance to be a part of your team.